Hey there, fellow explorers. Welcome to Little Stars, your ultimate destination for children. If you're as passionate about delicious recipes for kids, then hit that subscribe button right now and join our incredible community. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on the amazing kids' meals recipes videos we have in store for you. So, let's dive right in. Here's a simple recipe for peach fresh juice. Ingredients: 4 to 5 ripe peaches, 1 cup of water, sugar or honey optional to taste, ice cubes optional. Instructions: wash the peaches thoroughly under running water to remove any dirt or impurities. Cut the peaches in half and remove the pit. You can also peel the peaches if you prefer a smoother juice, but it's not necessary. Place the peach halves into a blender or food processor. Add the water to the blender. Blend the peaches and water until you achieve a smooth consistency. Taste the juice and if desired, add sugar or honey to sweeten it. Start with a small amount and gradually increase to reach your desired level of sweetness. Blend again for a few seconds to incorporate the sweetener. If you prefer a chilled juice, add a few ice cubes to the blender and blend until they're crushed and mixed well with the juice. Pour the peach juice into glasses and serve immediately. You can garnish the glasses with a peach slice or mint leaves, if desired. Enjoy your refreshing peach fresh juice. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe this channel where I give you delicious recipes I've learned about. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.